Hi, this is a quick overview shot of the layout of Burrlington Northern as you first enter the room. On the left here you see the concrete branch coming off of the Burrlington yard on the left there. The bridge in the far distance is the Skagit River Bridge. Then the peninsula in the center of the room is the Everett Bayside Yard. And on the top level, you can see several decks of narrow gauge, which comes out of Everett, which is on the other side of this particular peninsula. Now against the far wall, you see the climb up towards Skykomish, with the Skykomish Yard near the top of the hillside there. And of course, in the lower level, you can see the engine terminal at Bayside and Delta Yard, as well as the old control panel that I used to use in the DC days before DCC. On the far distance there, you can see the Ballard Bridge, and then of course on the right side of the basement is a 30-foot long Interbay Balmer Yard, with the bridge across the yard being the Ravis Street overpass. On the upper deck there, past these trees, you can see the staging yard, the north staging yard of Bellingham. I can zoom in on that for a second. And right in front of you is the cutoff between the Burrlington Yard and the Bellingham staging, which you can bump your head on if you're as tall as I am, but I'll go into it just for a second and show you the Delta Yard, which is on the other side of the peninsula, so you couldn't see it from the stairs. And that's the Delta Yard, which is includes the interchange with the narrow gauge. And that's a quick overview. A nice shot of Delta Yard. The backdrop. The Rainbow Bridge there is the return loop for Skykomish staging. And we only pull that down in between operating sessions when we need to turn trains around. The best scene on the whole railroad is right here, in my humble opinion.